Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 1 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, grade 1, click on view all lessons, and we're going to start with chapter 3, that is 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. The chapter we're going to start with is 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. And we're going to start with the very first lesson. The lesson name is Name the 3 dimensional shapes. So basically you are given with the shapes. You need to see which shape is it. Got it? So before starting the first lesson, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points on your notebook. Got it? So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. You have to select math from the subject tab, then go to grade 1, then click on view all lessons, and the chapter name is 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. And the lesson we're going to start with is name the 3 dimensional shape. So please make sure before starting the topic you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down important definitions. Got it? And the examples as well. So let's start with the first topic, that is name the 3 dimensional shapes. Okay, so maths, click on continue button. Here you have grade 1. Here we have the chapter that is 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. And we're going to start with the very first topic, that is name the 3 dimensional shape. Okay, so you are given with the shapes. You need to understand the shapes and then you have to name them. Got it? Okay, so basically you are given with this shape. So you need to understand the shape. Okay, the shape is like this. This is the shape. So this point is the vertex of the shape. Then you have this one. This is known as it's a curved surface. This is the shape and this is the open surface. Got it? Here it is. They have shown the shape, the open side of the shape, and it is the circular shape. Got it? Here you have a corner that is known as the vertex, and then here you have a circle and a curved shape. Got it? It is a curved shape. So whenever you have a shape like this shape is a cone. That's like the birthday cap. Got it? You must wear on your either first or second birthday. Got it? So the shape is called the cone. Got it? Or you can say it's an ice cream cone. Got it? So you have to match the shape. So it is the cone. Got it? Okay. Then what shape is this? It's circular shape. Got it? So it's completely round. It has no flat surfaces. It's exactly like the ball. Got it? You play with. So the shape is known as sphere. Got it? That exactly look like the ball you play with. Got it? Like you play the cricket ball, either you play the football ball, so it would be like the same ball you play with. So it is known as the sphere. Got it? You just have to match the subjects with your real life, the things you are using. Got it? So it is the ball you are playing with. Okay, then again you have a surface, so it's again a ball. So a ball, a shape that is that exactly look like a ball that has no surfaces, no flat surfaces. It's completely round. It is known as sphere. Got it? So we have done with two of the shapes. One of them is a cone, and the cone looks like this. Mm, Cone has a, it looks like this. This is the cone. This one is the vertex. This is the open shape. It is a circle, and the complete shape is known as cone. Got it? You can say either it's an ice cream cone or either it's the cap you wore on your birthday. Got it? So this is the cone. Got it? The other one, you look at the sphere. That is exactly a round shape, the one that exactly look like the ball you play. Got it? So it is known as the sphere. It is the circular shape. It doesn't has any flat surface. Got it? Okay. On the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Let's see more shapes. Okay, what shape is this? You're given four of the names. They are sphere, cone, cube, and cylinder. So which shape is it? Is it sphere, cone, cube, or cylinder? It is the cone, the one I just made on the board. Got it? So it is the cone. Got it? So select the correct option. Here is the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, what shape is this? Is this cone, cylinder, sphere, prism? That's the one that exactly looks like the ball. Got it? The ball you play with. Either you play football or the ball you play cricket with. So which shape is it? It's a circular shape. It it has no flat surface. Got it? So it is known as the sphere. Got it? It is known as the sphere. Here is the word sphere. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what shape is this? You can use the live chat button. If you know the answer, you can write the answer in the live chat box. You may ask help for your, you can ask for help to your parents, either or your sibling. So you can find the live chat button. If you know the answers, you can write the answers in the chat box. Got it? Okay, what shape is it? Is it cube, cylinder, cone, or sphere? It is the cone. Got it? It has a vertex and an open circular face. So it exactly looks like the cap you wore on your first or second birthday, either it is an ice cream cone. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Yes, very good, Buffer. It is the cone. Okay, what shape is it? Is it sphere, cone, cylinder, or prism? It is the circular shape. It has no flat surfaces. It is known as, it exactly looks like the ball you play with. So it is the sphere. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Again, what shape is this? It's a round circular shape. It has no flat surfaces. It exactly looks like a ball. Got it? So it is the cone, cube, prism, or sphere. Which shape is it? Yes, it is the sphere. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what shape is this? Is this sphere, cube, prism, or cone? Yes, very good. For that was sphere. Is it sphere, cone, cube, or prism? It has a vertex and a opener shape. So it looks like an ice cream cone. Which shape is it? Is it sphere, cube, prism, or cone? It is the cone. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what shape is this? Is it sphere, cube, or cone? The shape has, let's count the faces the shape has. That would be the first one. Here is the second one. Then here is the third one. Here is the fourth one. The one we are looking at, the fifth one, and the one that is exactly right below. So the shape has total six faces. Got it? All of them is a square, but the shape collectively with six faces is known as cube. Got it? So it is a cube. The shape has exactly six faces, so it must be a cube. Got it? So this is a cube. Got it? So here is the correct option, cube. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What shape is this? Is it sphere, cube, cone? It is the sphere. Got it? It's a round surface. It has no flat surface, so it is known as a sphere. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, what shape is this? Very good, Buffer. Okay, what shape is this? How many shapes faces the shape has? The one, two, three, four, five, six. The shape has total six faces. So what shape is this? Is it sphere, cube, or cone? All of them are squares. So the shape is, but it is the cube. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. It is the cube. Okay, so we have done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next one. The next one is count the shapes faces. Let's start with the next lesson, that is count the, let me write down the lesson name. Count the shapes faces. Basically, you need to count how many faces the shape has. Got it? That means when the shape is in your hand, how many face does the shape has? Got it? So let's start with the examples. Okay, how many faces does the shape have? You can match the shape exactly with the shoebox. Got it? Do you have a shoebox? Okay, go find a shoebox. Let's just count the shapes of the shoebox. Got it? Okay, basically the faces means the flat parts of the shape. Got it? So just look at the shoebox. Let's see how many faces it has. This is the first one, then the second one, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The shape has, you can here you can see that would be the first one. You can see the color of the every side. If you have a shoebox, you can count the faces on the shoebox. That would be the first one. Then the hair, the blue one, right below the first one. That would be the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. Then here the blue one, it's the fifth one. And then here is the sixth one. The shape has total six faces. Got it? So the shape has total six faces. Got it? Okay. How many shapes does the shape have? Faces are the flat parts of the shape. Got it? So you need to count the shapes of the figure. Got it? So you can start with the two opposite faces. Got it? Start counting the opposite faces. Here is the first one on the top. Then you have exactly the same face right below, so it would be the second one. Then this is the third one. Then the one that is exactly uh, on that would be the fourth one. Then here is the fifth one, and here is the sixth one. You can count all these blue colors, all the sides that has the blue colors. That means the shape has exactly six sides. Got it? Six faces. Got it? How many how many faces does the shape have? So you have to count the faces of the shape. So faces are the flat parts of the shape. Got it? So just count the flat parts of the shape. So let's start counting the faces, opposite faces. Like that would be the first one. So the one that is right below is exactly the second one. Here is the third one. Then here is the fourth one. You can just count the blue ones. Then the one that is the fifth one. And then here you have the sixth one. Got it? So the shape has total six faces. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? You have to count the shapes of the faces of the shapes. The faces are the flat surfaces. Got it? You need to see how many flat surfaces this shape have. Got it? So start counting with the opposite sides. That is the first one. The one that is right below here, that is the second one. This is the third one. This one is the fourth one. The one you are looking from this one, this is the fifth one. And the one right below this one is sixth one. So the shape has total six faces. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces this shape have? You can count the faces and let me know the answer if you know. Okay, let's start counting the faces of the shape. That would be the first one. The one that is right below here, that would be the second one. Then this is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. And this one is sixth one. So the shape has total six faces. Got it? And the shape is a cube. Got it? The shape that has six sides, all of them are square, is known as the cube. Got it? This shape is a cube. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces this shape have? So count the faces and let me know the answer. The options are 6, 2, 7, and 4. So how many faces do we have? Okay, it's counting the shapes. This is the first one. This is the second one. Then this is the third one. That would be the fourth one. And the fifth one, and the square that is this one is. So it has the total six faces. All of them are a square. So the shape is known as cube. Got it? So it has six faces. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? You can count the faces. I'll wait for a while. The shape exactly looks like a shoebox. You can get a shoebox and you can count the faces of the shoebox. Got it? This is the first one. And the one that is right below is the second one. This is the third one. And the opposite side here is the fourth one. Then you have the one that is fifth one. And the one you're looking is the sixth one. Got it? Yes, twice it has six faces. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. How many faces does this shape have? You can count the faces and let me know the answer. Okay, let's start counting the shapes. That would be the first one, and the one that's right below is the second one. Then this is the third one. So the opposite side of this one is the fourth one. Got it? Okay, the front view is the fifth one, and the one that is right on the back of the front one is the sixth one. So the shape has total six faces. All of them look like a square. So the shape is a cube. Got it? So it has total of six faces. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. How many faces this shape have? You need to count the faces on the shape. So how many faces this shape has? Start counting the faces. The faces are the flat surfaces. Let's start counting the faces of the shape. So this is the first one. This is the first one. The one that is opposite side of this one is the second one. Then this is the third one. The one that is opposite to this one is fourth one. Then here you have the fifth one, and the one that is on the opposite side of the one is sixth one. Got it? That means the shape has six flat surfaces. Got it? Six flat faces. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces this shape have? Okay, let's count the shapes that faces the shape has. This is the one. Opposite side of the one is the second one. This is the third one. The opposite of this one is the fourth one. Then the front view is the fifth one, and the one that is on the opposite side of this one is sixth one. So that means the shape has total six faces, and all of them are square. So the shape is a cube. Got it? So it is a cube. So the shape has total six faces. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces does the shape have? So you have to count the faces of the shape. So that would be the first one. And the one that is the opposite side of this one is second one. Then this is the third one. And the one that is at the opposite side of this one is fourth. Then this one is the fifth one. And the one that is on the opposite side of this one is sixth one. That means the shape has total six faces. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? You need to count the faces of the shape. So start counting. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, the one that is opposite side of the first one is the second one. Then this one and the opposite one, you have four sides. Then this one and the opposite side of this one is six faces. That means the shape has six faces. All of them are square. So the shape is known as the cube. Got it? So it has six faces. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? You have to count the faces in the shape. So start counting this with the one and the opposite side. The same opposite side of this one is you have two faces. Then here is the third one and the opposite side is fourth one. Then this one and the one that is on the opposite side of this one is sixth one. That means the shape has six faces. Very good, Tomois. The shape has six faces. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So we have completed the test for the topic. So we have started with the chapter that is two and three dimensional shapes. We have covered two of the topics. They are name the three dimensional shapes, and the second one is count the shape faces. Got it? So you can repeat the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. If you find the video helpful for you, please click on the like button that is right below the video. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.